It has been literally forever since I did a book haul. I'm very excited. I'd also like to say with a very heavy heart that there should also be another book in here that I was really looking forward to being able to show you. It hasn't arrived yet, but when I get it I will show you it in my next haul. So in no particular order, first of all we have the one that I'm reading just now, and this is Stephen Fry's The Liar, and I'm not very far into it as you can see, but this is, it's quintessential Fry and the writing style is gorgeous. I can't say too much about it because I haven't read it, but this was 99 pence from a charity shop. This next one was a rather beautiful find for an unexpected reason. So we have another Stephen Fry book. This is Paperweight, and again this was 99 pence in a charity shop. I've got no idea what it was about. I haven't started reading it yet. I'm very much looking forward to it. It is non-fiction unlike the other one, which is a novel. And this one actually came with a little gift, a little time capsule. This is, I don't know if you can see this, but this is a train ticket from the 2nd of March, my birthday, coincidentally, 1994. So on the day of my 2nd birthday, somebody travelled from St Albans to London Brit Rail, so somewhere in London, for the grand return price of £4.70. If I had a time turner, I would definitely be using it. Another new discovery I'm very excited about is Report for Murder by Weil McDermid. I've been meaning to read McDermid's writing for quite a while, and I just never got around to it. And then I was looking for crime novels that I thought I might like. And this one is a lesbian Scottish detective, and because Stuart McBride, my favourite writer ever, does not write quick enough in my opinion, I have a massive gap in my life just now for Scottish lesbian detectives because Roberta Steele is still awaiting another novel. And I saw this and read the description and thought, yes please, this is the first one in the series, appropriately, and I hope that I fall in love with it, and I hope that I end up becoming obsessed with it. With this next one, I can actually tell you nothing about it. I got it from a book exchange table. I saw the cover and thought, ooh, that looks gorgeous. Read the description and thought, yes please. So this is Life with a Star by, I can't pronounce that name and I'm not going to try. It will be an insult. But basically this is about a Jewish family, maybe more than just a Jewish family, living in Nazi-occupied Prague. And while I don't want to say that I love anything to do with World War II, I do. And I always find it really fascinating and interesting, and I think my knowledge of Nazi-occupied Prague doesn't exist, basically. So I'm really keen to see what this is like, and there's a quote from The Independent that's one of the finest novels of the century. The century being, I assume it's the 21st. Yes, 2012, so very much into the 21st century. I'm almost finished with the next author's catalogue, which breaks my heart because I love her profoundly. And I thought, okay, it's time to buy another one of her books because you have to progress. It's Castle Door, Daphne de Maurier. She actually finished this off. It was actually started by Sir Arthur Quiller-Couch, and I don't know what it's about, other than presumably a castle called Door. But this, I really wish you could smell this. I mean, look at the colour. Oh wow, honestly it's exquisite, it really is. This particular edition, for a point of interest, was published in 1994, again, when I was 2. All the great things happened when I was 2 years old. Originally published in 1961. I love de Maurier, I really do. 3 left, where will we go? This one, yes. Okay, this was another one that I got from the book exchange table, and this is Sleeping Beauties by Stephen King and Owen King. And I've talked about my thoughts on King before, which is basically that I like his stories, I love adaptations of his work. I don't really like his writing style, but I'm determined to find at least one King novel that just gels with me personally. It's quite a heavy read, but it's co-authored, so it could go either way. I don't know what it's about. Around the world, something strange is happening to women. Ooh, women. They are falling victim to a sleeping virus, which shrouds them in a cocoon like gauze. If woken, if the gauze is disturbed, the women become rabid. Okay, I'm going to be honest, that sounds absolutely amazing. With the last 2, I'm very excited about these. I bought these on eBay and I cannot wait to read them. So the one that I'm not least looking forward to, but I'll leave the best to last. This is Introduction to English Law. I love the legal system, I love crime fiction, I write crime fiction. and I love the criminal justice system, but I'd like to expand my knowledge from criminal law to, you know, consumer law, finance law, corporate law, employment law. I just want to expand my knowledge. I like knowledge, and this one I thought would be really nice. It looks like it's going to be not too heavy, actually. It looks like it'll be alright. I was worried because I hadn't seen it. I just saw the title and thought, yeah, I'll give it a go. I was worried that it would be quite a dense book. My cat is doing something weird with the door. This was published in 1983, and I'm very excited. And the one that I left till the end is Law for Social Workers. No, I'm not a social worker, but first of all, how gorgeous is that cover? I absolutely love that colour scheme. I have spent the last 2 years reading memoirs written by foster carers about children who are abused and come into care, and I'm basically almost done with them. I've got about 3 left out of the back catalogue of 5 different writers, and I'm going to be missing those a lot. So I thought, I love law, I love the social work network, and I thought, let's see what this is like. So I'm really looking forward to it. It actually looks more heavy than the other one, which I wasn't expecting. Sex Offenders Register, Protection of Children Act 1999. What if I make a mistake? I'm glad I'm not a social worker because I couldn't have that level of responsibility for a young life. But in terms of reading about it, I'm very excited. When that other book does arrive, the one that I mentioned at the beginning, I will make sure that I haul it the next time that I do a book haul. If you have any suggestions for books that you think I should read, particularly crime, thriller, horror, or legal textbooks, I'd love to know your suggestions, and most importantly, make sure you let me know what you are reading just now.